I need to open this. My wig came today.
I can't get down, I gotta get up. I'm in the pot, whipping on that hoe. Break a low, eat it up. Straight out the basement, moving Picasso. Gonna get heated up. We bought niggas brush for the camel flips. Every day it's first, now we get rich. Not bad, then it's sick. Spend a dime on the corner, bust some lines for your hoe. Put that bad, got deep up, go ahead, take a nigga on the strip, all the bitch quick and select so hard, had to invest in this, everybody that's sauce and they rhyme with the recipe. Rhyme with the recipe, bitch, you treat me like the villain, me. She was walking the bank, got a million to the pocket.
This bitch is 30 inches, bro. She's long. But it's only like the end strands. I don't know about like these up here. Do they come all the way down that far? They don't. Do I need to tone it? Is it a good yellow, purple shampoo? Oh, it fits really good. I think this is a good color. Okay, I think I need to fall on this one. I'll be back. Oh, right. It's so annoying. And I am telling you, I'm not going. And you're the best man I've ever known. There's no way I can ever go. No, 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 no way. No, no, no way. I'm not without you. I'm staying. And you. You're gonna love me.
Keep that shit over there. Hey, keep that shit over there. Hey, keep that shit. No. Keep that shit over there. Whoa, keep that shit over there. Whoa.
12. All these girls in the city going crazy over me. Taking 10s on the cars so they can see me. Shaking till my dirty niggas wanna be me. They gon' be creeping, they won't ever see me. Ain't taking to cameras, but they got to see me. Diamonds on my fingers, I'm a superstar. All the LA shit with a superstar. Hit me if you got it. I had to go right back like double back. I had to go right back like double back. Go ahead, spin it. I'm mad at it. Now we can recover. I don't need a tenant. Get it, come to how she turns so independent. Yo, when they come to this, she turns so damn independent. Nighttime, summertime, cold. You really wanna say yes, but you say no. Once I put my drink. No cap, you wanna go away to the top.
I got some YouTube videos of, and yeah, I'm still working on it. By the end of this week, I should have a lot more done. That shit mad cold. Who said tag was the income? And it can be an income for some people in here. Well, I mean, we come on here to make money, so either you respect it and support it or you don't. That's it. Hey, JJ. I don't get your point. It is a job for some people. People make a living off of this app. So somebody wants to take it seriously and try to make money off of it. Respect it or you don't. Support it or you don't. That's it. What are you complaining for? It's a social site that people make money on though, so it's not that serious. If you're not gonna send gifts, then just to the person who wants gifts, then just leave it alone. Continue on with your day. Let these girls do what they want to do. If you got a problem with it, then just get out their lives. Simple. There's girls on here making what people make in a month and a week. Either respect the hustle or you don't. Thank you, D-Man. There's always that one person that will always have your heart. You never see.
What's temporary? Me or you? You want me here to stay? Your situation tell me that it's a waste of time. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna get you up, like some of your friends. All these friends you doing the post, we take a picture, they post it. Talking back that shit up. Won't you say mine, say mine? Won't you say my name, say my name? If you think you want me, it ain't no time. You ain't gonna be shady, baby, gonna be baby. Oh, you gonna be games, play games. I need some love.
With me all away. Trust me, it's all okay. Trust me, it's all. You just need someone that's calm and fair. Girls need love too, I know. Say something.
Now let me see you. 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 Now let me see you.
Track when he do. She got me in my face. Gotta be there with it. All that you do in my night, trips to wherever feels right, doing it all just feelings. Drinking to never lies, drugs just on suiting you right. You were just fine as real life. You know, it's not the way to get over me. I don't know what to say. You know, it's not the way to get over me. All of the sentences, you don't want me to. All of the sentences, I got to know. It don't matter to me. It don't matter to me what you say. It don't matter to me. It don't matter to me what you say. I can't recover from all that conversation. You call me, we can't test in my bed, as we got at each other. You want me to go put my hands on you just to show you I love you. You know I can't jeopardize both our reputations. Despite what you said, despite what you choose to do with yourself, it's something. You're acting out, you know you love to see me down, stressing on something, stressing on something. You know, it's not the way to get over me. I don't know what you said. You know, it's not the way to get over me. All of the sentences, you don't want me to. All of the sentences, I got to know. It don't matter to me. It don't matter to me what you say. It don't
to a phase. You can't get enough. Now you know I said it.
Hey, but I'm about to cook, so I need to put a scarf on my head, honestly. Alright, let me get in the kitchen before I fall asleep and don't cook nothing. And we be eating noodles for dinner. Okay, I'm taking out the card now.
I should get that one. Huh? I mean, his birthday card. Do I wish you lots of good, clean, wholesome fun on your birthday? You don't have no clean, wholesome fun on your birthday. You're gonna be doing the wild thing. The wild. You make my heart sad. Yeah. I gotta pick out something for you.
I hope the barnacles be here before. I feel bad.
Daddy, where you at? Mikey, look. Look, Mikey. Stop it.
Another birthday?
I got it.
Birthday paradise.
We're in the supermarket. It's in my name. Again. I've left the money in the house again. And he wants pizza. Can we just buy pizza here? You can just make it in the house. I love you, Brianna.